how to remove phone number from Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can remove phone number from Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to remove your phone number from Discord, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Discord application and make sure that you're signed in. Then from the bottom right, tap the profile icon over here and you'll find this option called accounts, so make sure to tap the account option. And once you tap the account option here, you'll find your current phone number, so you can tap on that phone number and here you'll find an option that says remove phone number. So all you have to do is tap the remove number over here and verify with your password, tap on done, and your phone number will get successfully removed. This way you can remove your phone number from Discord. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.